guys, what's up? If you're new here, hi, I'm Rose. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already, and follow me on Insta at Rose Allegra, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. I think I'm just going to do a little weekend vlog because I know you guys love those, and I haven't made a video in a while because things have been pretty crazy with work, but I need to be better about being consistent because YouTube is so important to me and I want to give you guys content and videos, so just trying to be better about it. But I really missed you guys and just wanted to do a little weekend vlog. We're not really doing much this weekend, just, you know, being lazy, relaxing, trying to make the most of the weekend. And, you know, now that I work so much, I just really value the time off. So we're just gonna like watch movies, you know, be cozy, make good meals, and thought you guys would want to come along with. I actually wanted to talk to you guys because my skin is like really bad right now. Like, I don't know if you, I mean, you obviously can see, but it's just so like horrible. I'm like breaking out on my chin, like probably the worst I ever have in my life, and I don't really know why. Like, I mean, I don't really think it's wearing the masks. I'm not really sure why I'm breaking out so bad, but it is like horrible. It's like these like deep blackheads, and then plus the red bumps, and then like some whiteheads and scarring, and like obviously it doesn't help when I'm trying to pop them and, you know, like going crazy and like obliterating them. Like that's usually what I do. It's hard for me to just not pop them, but it's just like it's not a good look for me right now. So I'm trying to kind of figure out how to get rid of these. I definitely want to go to my dermatologist to like check it out and see if there's anything I can do to, you know, like any type of like medication to make this better, but it's just really bad. And like lately every night I've been putting just a huge glob of toothpaste. It hasn't really been working out because then I wake up and like toothpaste is all over me and I just look like an idiot. Just testing out new methods. If any of you have any tips and tricks for getting rid of like chin acne, let me know in the comments, because this is not cute. And it's just, I think usually I always get worse like acne in the winter, and then like usually in the summer the sun just kind of like dries it out. So yeah, we are just having a cozy day and we're gonna make a really good meal tonight, and I'm gonna show you guys because it's gonna be delish. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Okay, so I just made our salads for us. I'm now the one in charge of making the salads, which I don't mind at all. And
salad queen.
Yeah, and we usually try to have a salad every night with our dinner, or else we'd substitute it with some other vegetable. But we usually just have like red leaf or green leaf lettuce from Whole Foods, some feta cheese, which I've been loving lately, and some olives. We only had like barely any left, so that's why there's only 2. And then Tom likes nuts in his, but I'm not the biggest fan, so yeah, these are delish. Okay, so while we were at Whole Foods, we spotted these biscuits, and we thought it would pair perfectly with the southern
fried chicken.
Southern fried chicken sandwich. And these look so good.
A true southern classic.
These look way better than like the Pillsbury.
Yeah. I think we're gonna cut these in half and just melt a little butter on them for the ones we want.
Yeah, and then after we're like, you know, done with the like main course, we can have one biscuit with butter and jam on it, because that's tasty.
A good idea. Yeah, look at these look.
So tonight we're having southern fried chicken sandwiches. Tom made this the other night and it was so good, so we want to remake it for the weekend. Here are the chicken thighs. I'm not the biggest fan of chicken thighs, but in this meal it's really good, and I'm trying to expand my horizons with food. I'm not trying to be picky. I don't really consider myself picky, but Tom says I'm picky, so I am excited to have these. He's gonna deep fry them. They are seasoned in the buttermilk spiced seasoning and then breaded in flour. He's gonna fry them. And then we have the buns, brioche buns. We have the biscuits, which is just an extra Southern Touch, and then we have homemade coleslaw, homemade honey mustard. I'm not sure what this is, and I think that might be pickle juice. And then we have some cheddar cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes for the sandwich. So I am super stoked.
Just shake it up, get a little of the oil on top.
Shake it, shimmy, shimmy. Frying the chicken.
Yeah!
The chicken is finally done. It looks so delicious. We're gonna assemble the sandwich now once Tom is done cleaning.
Yeah!
We started the Queen's Gambit a couple days ago, like a week ago, and we're really into it. Tom is a big chess fan. I haven't played chess in a while, but the show is really good, so I highly recommend. If you're looking for a new show, we're gonna watch this with Din. Everything is plated up. This looks delicious. This pickle is literally the biggest pickle I've ever seen in my life, but I am excited. Look how delicious. About to really enjoy this meal. Woo! Check this.
I know, you're better than me. But if you're gonna play the Soviets.
Morning, guys. I look tired, but I slept in, which was nice, and I just made my coffee. Lately, I've been having, I feel like every time I film a video, I'm like switching up my coffee routine, but lately I've been having just hot coffee with milk and honey, and it's really, really good, and it's a lot less work than having to like whip up the milk, do all that crazy stuff with the frother. My Amazon one broke, so I've just been doing like the very minimal, normal way to make coffee, and it's honestly really good. We have to do all the laundry. We have to clean the apartment. We have my family Zoom tonight, which is like a thing that my family does every Sunday at 8. So we have that. I have to go through emails for work. My mom's coming over for a little, so we're just super busy today. So yeah, just kind of like a to-do checklist day, getting a lot of stuff done. Update on this party on my chin. Kind of looks the same. I put my acne medication on it last night. It looks kind of dried out, but it's still not looking too cute. So yep, that is the update. Let's just start the morning. Okay, I just put the laundry in the washer. Now I'm going to start cleaning the entire kitchen, wiping down the cabinets, and then cleaning the bathroom, which is probably the most work out of all. And I just want to get everything clean before my mom comes so I can have some time to chill too. And I got in my workout clothes because I don't know if this is the same for you guys, but I feel like when I actually change into workout clothes, it makes me more motivated to work out, and it like reminds me that I still need to get the workout in rather than just like not. Hopefully I can get the workout in. I'm also really, really excited. Madeline Klein is partnering with Set Active. I've never bought any Set Active activewear, but I really, really want to buy some for this Madeline Klein drop because I'm obsessed with her and everything she does. So definitely gonna get some new workout clothes, like vibrant colors. I think that's like the theme of her drop with Set, so I'm really excited. Gonna get to clean it now, super fun. I can't clean without music. So it is 3:30, my mom just left. It was really good to see her, and now I'm just going through, you know, my thousands of emails that I have that I usually have to like, you know, take a couple hours on the weekend to go through. So I'm gonna get caught up on work stuff, and then Tom is just in the background like so I'm gonna get caught up on work stuff, and then I will catch you guys when I'm done with this, because this just takes a lot of time and effort, energy, lots of detail. So yeah.
Alright, just try to burp.
Hey guys, ignore Tom in the background. He's playing video games with his friends, but I'm just kind of, I'm just really tired. Ever since my mom left, I got like looped into this whole like work situation, and there was just like a lot to deal with, a lot to figure out. So I literally have been working since 3:30 and now it's like 7:30, so 4 hours on the clock today. So I'm about to have my family Zoom with my grandparents and just see how they're doing. They actually both got vaccinated, so I feel a lot better about just not being so worried about them, but I still obviously am. And then I'm just really excited to eat dinner. So the day just kind of got away from me. Sorry if this vlog is boring. I'm just so like wiped out, and I still like feel like not fully caught up on work stuff, so I'm definitely gonna have to wake up early and just start the week off on a high note. I didn't really get to relax as much as I wanted to, so it's okay, just gotta push through it. And yeah, I'll show you guys what we eat for dinner. It's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. In this update, I'm not getting much better, so. Okay, so I've been waiting all day for this meal, honestly.
All week, honestly.
All week, because we made this. Tom made it on, was it Friday?
Yeah, 2 days ago.
2 days ago, and we've just been so excited for the leftovers. It's kind of like an enchilada, but it has beef chuck in it.
Well,
and then he made this kind of like homemade seasoned Mexican sauce with like lots of spicy
chile con
Colorado my camera.
Or something. I don't know. Look it up on YouTube. Aaron Sanchez is the chef's name.
These are some homemade pickled onions, and then there's beef chuck in here. There's like homemade Spanish rice, and then the tortillas are kind of
dirty Mexican rice.
And the tortillas are like coated in the sauce that he made, which was like with these homemade spicy chilies, and it's just so delicious, and I'm so excited to eat it.
Guantillo chilies. These are the chilies if you want to look. You gotta soak them. You gotta roast them dry, and then soak them in some water or broth. And then once they're rehydrated, then you pulse it. And this is really the base.
And he used the food processor.
Yeah, and then you pulse it in the food processor.
And we got these from Amazon, so it's not like.
This is really the base of the sauce, along with some spices: cinnamon, some Mexican cinnamon, Mexican oregano, cumin.
And that's how if you see like the tortillas like got that like orangey color, that they got that from the peppers and from the sauce.
And then with the rice, it's dirty Mexican rice. Dry roast some rinsed rice, so the starch is cooked off, with some tomatoes, onions, and garlic. And then once all that's pretty seared, you throw in the water, the stock, and then yeah, that's your rice. And then you just cook it all together.
Guys, it's Monday. Everything was so crazy yesterday. We had dinner and we really enjoyed it, but then me and Tom were both like so full. I think we both ate a little too much and I felt like a beached whale. Then I just like passed out. I had to start work early this morning and have just been, you know, pushing through, getting through it, just trying to get through Monday. Mondays are usually the hardest for me in terms of work and, you know, just starting off the week right, like getting all the calls set and all that stuff. So yeah, but hopefully it's a good week. It's supposed to be in the 60s, I think, at some point, so that's exciting. I really just wanted to get nice out. Then, you know, just going outside, I feel like that just helps a lot with like everyone's mental health and mindset, and I definitely want to be like just taking in the sun. It just puts me in a better headspace. So I hope we all have a great week, and yeah, just continuing the vlog. Guess what we're having for dinner tonight? Pretty shocking. I'm the egg girl, as you guys know.
And I'm the guy.
Okay, so I got Tom this Le Creuset pan from Williams-Sonoma, right? That was around $200, and a lot of people probably think that's like crazy to get a pan, to buy a pan for that much money, but
they don't know. Well, they don't know.
But it has like a lot of, I don't really know all the cool properties that it has, but Tom is super excited about it.
It's cast iron enameled, and it also has a lifetime warranty. So basically, you get this, it's gonna last you for your whole entire life.
And you can basically cook like anything you want on it.
Yeah, because it's enameled.
And it's his favorite color, so. This is what we're having, not a shocker. I'll show you guys when we start diving in.
Look at my eggs.
Voila.
Voila.
This is the meal. Lots of hot sauce. Hey guys, I am just so tired. I literally, just so much energy is sucked out of me. I feel like this whole vlog, I have just been like energy drained. I'm sorry if this vlog was not too exciting. I'm sorry it wasn't too eventful, but this is honestly kind of like a realistic couple days of my life vlog, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I have some exciting videos coming out for you guys soon, so stay tuned for those, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thought you guys would appreciate another party on my chin update. Just very dry, as you can see. I'm like peeling all over, but I want them to dry out, so I am just gonna keep drying these suckers out until they dry up like they are in the Sahara Desert, and we will be good to go. So if any of you that have acne issues or are just struggling with the maskne, I feel you, I'm here for you, and let's get through this together.